ceaseless efforts of the Chinese nation from standing up and growing prosperous to becoming strong. Over the past 100 years, the CPC has always connected the future of the Chinese people with that of other peoples and steered the course of China's development in line with the trend of the world and the tide of times to promote common development and prosperity of all countries. The historic achievements made by the CPC and the Chinese people would not have been possible without the generous support of world peoples. Here, on behalf of the CPC and the Chinese people, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to political parties, peoples and friends of all countries who have cared about, supported and helped the CPC and a course of revolution, development and reform in China. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, the world today is undergoing profound transformation unseen in a century, amid which the trend of multipolarity and economic globalization is experiencing a sea change, and countries are becoming increasingly intertwined, interdependent, and interconnected. To cope with COVID-19, restart the economy, and safeguard world stability, the international community has made strenuous efforts. Political parties have also shown a strong sense of responsibility by making active exploration. While in some places, wars and conflicts are still raging, famine and diseases remain prevalent. Estrangement and confrontation grow even deeper. The call for a better life from all peoples is becoming stronger.